Hello my beautiful people, welcome back to the garden. It's a beautiful night. It's kind of brisk, so I am excited to be painting. Last week I did a pour that I really loved called Stillness. It was a transparent base coat on top of a pre-painted background with a modern minimal style and a very classic color palette, and I really love that piece. I have some of that paint left, so we're gonna do another one, but I have pre-painted the canvas but a different color. This one is not the metallic cobalt like I did last time. This is a 24 by 30 inch gallery wrap canvas from Artists Loft. I have taped and pinned the back, and I have painted the sides and edges and the surface in Amsterdam Pearl Yellow, which is that really pretty creamy color, and I have a little bit of 24 karat gold on there also. So I think this is really pretty. I think it's going to be beautiful with that color palette. Let's get started. So this is my transparent base coat, which is also my pouring medium. This is the Golden Heavy Gel Gloss and Floetrol and a lot of water. So this is not super thin, but it's not thick at all, especially for me. Pretty much sinking right into itself. Slight mound, but that's okay. I would rather work with it this consistency than super thin. Okay, so let's get that out of the way for a minute. Then we have Golden's Van Dyke Brown, which, like I said in the last video, think espresso, not milk chocolate. You can also make your own Van Dyke Brown or deepen up the color of a milk chocolate color. Just add a little bit of black and you'll be good. So that's the Van Dyke Brown, and I really love it because it is so deep and so dark. It creates a beautiful shadow effect. It's awesome. This one is Golden's. This is Turquoise Pthalo, one of my favorites. Absolutely stunning color. This is the Amsterdam Pearl Yellow, which when it's on something light, it looks creamy. When it's on top of something darker, it looks a very pale gold. That's really beautiful. And we have my DecoArt Americana Decor Metallics in 24 karat gold. So let's get started. Okay, I'm gonna put down a good amount of our transparent base coat / pouring medium. And part of the trick with this, because we're using so little paint, we need more of a flow extender so that that's a vehicle for our paint to move around, and that allows us to use a smaller amount of paint and really stretch it out and open it up. Okay, so it's looking good. Okay. Let's torch that real quick. Okay. We're going to start with the Turquoise Pthalo this time. And I want to do something a little different than I did last time. So we're going to start like this. And then we're going to come in with the Van Dyke Brown. Actually, no. I'm going to put some Pearl Yellow on the other side of that. And we're going to put a little space between these two. I don't want them directly on top of each other. Now we're going to do the Van Dyke Brown. And a little bit more Pearl Yellow. And then I'm going to do one more turquoise down here. And then with the 24 karat gold, we're going to come in. Okay. We'll see if this works. I'm going to take my stick and we're going to finger paint, but with the stick. Are you ready, husband of awesome?
Yes, my love.
Okay, here we go. We're just going to keep this very simple. And make it a little bit more organic in some places. Okay. All right. Cool. All right. Let's put some more in the corners and edges.
Basically taking that small area Where the paint is and stretching it the whole size of that can.
Yep, exactly. Okay, the other thing I'm going to do a little differently tonight is I'm actually going to go back and forth a little bit to see if we can't open this up a little bit more before we anchor it. May not work very well, but we'll see. Bleed. That's why I spaced everything out, was to get that kind of Aurora Borealis look. I think we're done. What do you think?
Wow, cool.
I love this color palette. It's so pretty.
Speaking of Aurora Borealis.
Really beautiful. That turquoise is amazing. The Dyke Brown, I love how deep and rich it is. And I'm really glad that I've only used it once, because it's giving that depth and that shadow and it's not taking over, which is very cool. The gold is beautiful. When this is dry, that pearl yellow might show up, but it'll be this beautiful creamy color even if it doesn't turn pale gold. So I'm really excited about this one. I will show you guys when it's dry. Thank you so much for hanging out with us tonight. If you could do me a favor and please share this video, I would really appreciate it. That helps us more than anything. You know, leave me a like, leave me a comment, hype. I don't even know how to do that, but thank you guys so much. I really appreciate you and we love you guys a lot. We'll be right back. Okay, here we are with our dried results. This one came out so pretty. I love the background with the pearl yellow. It's not showing up as gold really. It is very pale and creamy though, and it is apparent in several sections, which I will show you. But let's look at the main composition first. Really, really cool. I love this transparency. I love the layered look. You can see the 24 karat gold blinging. Really beautiful. HOA, can you tilt it just a little bit towards me? So you see right over in this area. Tilt it back again now. No, back towards you. There you go. You see that pearl yellow right in there. And now tilt it towards me a little, honey. And then it's creamy. So there is pearl yellow in there. It's very, very cool. Okay, can you go back just a little tiny bit, please? There you go. We like the gold blinging. But this one came out very, very pretty. I love the transparency. I love the layering. I love the color palette. And to my eye, looking at the background, it does actually look kind of pale gold. But I don't know if you guys can see that. But this one came out very, very cool. I'm very, very happy with this. I'm loving this technique. couple of you have messaged me and mentioned other color palettes. If you have a color palette you'd like to see me try with this, let me know. Leave me a message in the comments and I will definitely get back to you guys. So this was awesome. If you guys could please do me a favor and like and share this video, that would be amazing and help so much. You know, taking a couple weeks off from my leg has really affected the algorithm and I'd like to get back up to where we were. So if you guys could share, that would be amazing. Thank you so much for all of your support and your loving messages. My leg's doing a lot better. I am walking, so just taking it slow and going nice and easy. But this was a lot of fun. Thank you so much for hanging out with us today. I hope you have a wonderful, wonderful week, and we will see you soon.